So today we're learning how to count coins using a method called Hairy Money. And so I just grabbed some coins from a drawer, and I want to find out how many coins I grabbed from the drawer. In order for us to count the money, the first thing that we need to do is we need to put the coins in order from greatest value to least value. So let's find out what coins did I grab here. I grabbed these quarters. That's a fancy quarter there. So I grabbed 2 quarters, and I know that quarters are worth 25 cents, so I will put those first. These are the coins with the greatest value. And let's see, I have a dime, and I have a nickel, and I have 3 pennies. Oh, that's one of those fancy new pennies also. That's one of those Union pennies, but it's worth 1 cent. And so let's see, the dime comes next because it's worth 10 cents, and I think I'll just turn it over. And then this nickel is worth 5 cents, so that would come next. And then our pennies would come last. Okay, so hairy money. What is hairy money? Hairy money is a method that is used to help children count money easily. If you know how to count by fives, and all of you do, then this method will be a very easy method for you to help count money. Each hair is worth 5. So I'm going to draw a little mark here, and I'll call it a hair. We're going to actually put hairs on our money. So this is actually a hair. And I'll go ahead and put that one of these hairs is the same as, in this case, we'll say 5 cents. And what I'll do next is I'll just go ahead and trace around each coin that I have here. And if you will just hold your finger down really firmly in the center and trace around. And don't worry if for some reason it slides or something like that. It's okay. All right, let's go to the dime. Remember, you need to put your coins in order from greatest value to least value. That's the way that we count our coins. This dime, you see how my little finger slipped there? Your finger will probably slip a little bit too when you are tracing around your coins. Oh, it's easy to trace around this nickel because it has smooth edges. And I bet it will be easy to trace around these copper coins because they have smooth edges also. Not so much with the quarter and the dime. The quarter and the dime have rough edges, so it was a little more challenging to trace around those. So just put your finger right smack dab in the middle, and then you can trace around your coins like that. Okay, almost there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to label my coins. This is a quarter, so I'll pull that away and put a Q there. And this, of course, is a quarter. And this is a dime. And that is a nickel. And this is a penny. And a penny. And a penny. So each hair is the same as having 5. In this case, 5 cents, because we're counting coins. So what I'll do is I will put, I know that the quarter is worth 25 cents, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hairs is what the quarter gets. Why? Each hair is worth 5 cents, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In this case, 25 cents. I'll go to my next coin, which is a quarter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. Now, boys and girls, when you are drawing the hairs on these coins, make sure that you space the hairs out. And make sure that they're nice and long so that when you go back to count, there's less room for error. So this is a dime, so I need 2 hairs on this dime because a dime is worth 10 cents. So 5, 10. This nickel, I just need 1 hair because remember, each hair is worth 5 cents in this case, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. Now, these pennies are bald. They have no hair whatsoever on their heads. So we are going to put a little dot right here because when we get to the penny, this little dot will remind us that we need to count by ones. Okay, so here we go. I can slide my coins over to the side now. And let's see, I will count by fives. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Do you notice how I'm touching the hairs as I go along? That's 50. I'm counting by fives. 50, 55, 60. I'm touching these hairs to make sure I don't miscount. 60, counting by fives, 65. And now all I need to do is count by ones. So 65, and I need to add one more, and that would be 66 cents, 67 cents, 68 cents. Now, I always go back and count just to make sure. Very important. This is a lot of work that we've done, and we want to make sure that we've done it all correctly. So it's okay. Go back and count it again just to make sure. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68 cents. Now you will notice that my cent sign is simply a C and a line drawn through it. We will be learning how to write the value of coins and the value of combinations of coins. So that's it. That's how you do it. And you will be working on counting money, combinations of coins today using Hairy Money. Have fun, boys and girls.